Ever been on a plane and wish you had a mute button for that crying baby 2 seats back? Because that's exactly what this awesome gadget can do. To put it simply, the Hear Active Listening System wants to change the way you hear the world. These wireless earbuds might look like something you'd listen to music on, but as Doppler Labs CEO Noah Kraft was quick to point out, they're not headphones. Nor are they a Bluetooth headset or a hearing aid. What they are, however, is a way to selectively remove distracting noises from your everyday life and even change how loud the real world sounds. Here's how it works. The earbuds take in audio from the world via microphones and are then passed through a digital signal processor which modifies the audio depending upon how you selected to change it in the accompanying app. Then the modified audio gets mixed with the original audio and enters your ears. By default, Hear gives you presets like airplane mode, which suppresses airplane engine noises and reduces frequencies associated with a crying baby. Office mode, which uses white noise to mask a loud office and help you focus. And city mode, which can reduce the terrible piercing sounds of subway trains underground and squeaky brakes and cars above ground. But Hear also gives you more direct control, allowing you to turn up or down the actual volume of the world around you, and it even gives you access to an equalizer so that you can customize the sound of a concert in real time. To find out more about the true potential of Hear and what they see for the future, we stopped by the Doppler Labs offices to talk with CEO Noah Kraft.
Our company ethos in Doppler Labs is to change the way you hear the world. And what we started with was a very basic acoustical filter, essentially an advanced tech earplug that brings down the volume and maintains fidelity. And we started thinking about how suboptimal the way you hear the world is, especially in live experiences, commutes, airplanes, and we decided we wanted to invent a dynamic system that gives you full control over your audio environment. And the Hear Active Listening System was born in that it's a system that gives you the ability to control the volume, control the EQ, and control effects around your world so you can get the audio around you just right. And that's everything from for a concert or for something like an overnight commute where you might want to reduce a baby crying around you to have a more calm experience. Wearable technology enhances our lives, and our ears are something that are on 24 hours a day. What we don't realize is how much 250 years ago, a loud noise like thunder was incredibly disruptive, but now it's an afterthought because we're just bombarded. And we envision a world where noise is literally a thing of the past, and your ears are optimized for every single listening experience to be perfect for you.
Pretty awesome if you ask us. The amount of literal and figurative headaches this could reduce in our daily lives makes it seem more than worth it. Hear is running on Kickstarter right now, and if you pre-order now, you can get yours in time for the holidays this year for $199, which is $50 off the eventual list price. What do you guys think of Hear? Would you wear a pair of these to help you keep your sanity while traveling? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you next time on Big Shiny Things.